Today was absolutely disgusting. It pissed me off and it made me sick to see how terribly controlled our markets are. Ape halted once, Ape halted twice, Ape halted 3 times, Ape halted 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, AMC halted once, Ape 7 times, AMC twice, Ape 8 times, AMC 3 times, Ape 9 times, 10 times, 10 times during the day. 10 times this stock was halted with 50 million in volume. How disgusting does that look? Not only that, the stock is extremely down on the day. Comparing the buy and sell orders for this stock, for AMC, it's about 80% buy orders, 20% sell orders throughout the day. Both of these stocks are comparatively down. It's not looking good. Now, for the numbers, 0 shares available to borrow on AMC, 0% fee because there are no shares, no call contracts in the money. You're not going to see any upside gamma. 734,000 short exempt. We have a T+2 settlement day to see if shorts stacked on. From the data, it looks like shorts would stack on, and they probably took advantage of this coming onto the market right now. I don't think that was all that happened. Essentially, I probably would lean more towards that majority of buy orders on Ape were routed to dark pools for some unknown reasons, and sell orders were put on the lit exchange or just overall on the market in general to push price down. Now, I'm going to lay this out right now. It is a terrible, terrible idea if you like AMC to sell Ape. And the only reason for that is it gives shorts a way to get out. It gives shorts a way to get your shares. AMC had 516 million shares on the market. Ape 516 million shares on the market. This is essentially diluting AMC by half only if everybody were to sell their Ape. Now, if nobody does sell, this doesn't change the value of your stock, the value of your shares and what they are valued at. If you haven't sold your AMC and Ape, it would be at what AMC was trading at the other day, besides the percentage decrease today. I think it's a terrible idea to sell your Ape, and essentially it gives the shorts a way to get out. It's not a good idea in my opinion. Now we're going to go over the GameStop numbers. We're going to go back into the technical analysis at the end. So 0 shares available to borrow on GameStop, and I thought this was interesting, right? 48.49% DRS shares, free float, right? Free float DRS through computer share. This was about 54 to 55% on Friday. This is not right. This is not normal. Whether Stonko Tracker's having a glitch, whether people sold GameStop, shares were swapped out, right? The people who sold were not the people who had it DRS and vice versa. I think something really, really wonky is going on, really fucked up is going on. Either way, losing on the options chain, 15,000 short exempts. This is what it looks like. At least this is what they're making it or building it to look like. Shorts borrowed everything they can against GameStop, AMC, overall just the entire market because the S&P is dropping. They're getting more leverage in their account. They're getting further away from margin calls, and they're taking this this advantage to make more money, to create more money. And it also looks like to retail that other retail is selling. It looks like you wake up, you see this thing getting smacked down, you're like, are all my communities selling this, right? It causes fear in the market. It's a psychological move. This is the next thing that was really weird. FINRA, right, this morning at 8 a.m., the systems went down. I think this is extremely weird. SEC users are currently not being able to log into FINRA systems. The issue has been identified. SEC and FINRA are working to resolve the login issue. This shit is so weird. Whether it's a coincidence or not, the glitches, this should not be happening. Okay, now, last week I called out calls on GameStop. I still think those are going to print for anybody who did do that. AMC and implied volatility is not really a good time to jump into any calls or puts, in my opinion, on AMC. Real quick, I'll touch on the SPY. It didn't get saved at the 412 level, and actually is in the middle of this fib retracement. If the S&P can hold 407, if it can hold 407, I do think we will get another pop and continue a bull rally. If we break under 47, I think we are back pushing towards a bear market, pushing towards new lows. So we have to see whether or not that will play out or not. We have about a $5 or $6 move before we do actually see anything happen there. AMC, this is just absolutely disgusting, and it's hard to play out the technicals now now that another company has half of its value. Okay, this is tough. This is tough to play out. Okay, it's kind of holding on recent levels, or at least between recent levels. Overall, I'm just gonna state it like this because technical analysis on this right now is disgusting. You have a gap fill to the upside, and I do think I'm almost 90% confident at some point during this week, AMC is going to gap up. It's going to go green, a lot green, at least make it back up to about 14 to 16 bucks. That's my call out for the rest of the week. The TA part of side of things is really tough, and overall the market today was just really disgusting to see how corrupt it was. Now Ape is pushing towards the end of the day. This would be interesting if it actually got back up to $8 before close, but again, closes in 5 minutes. That's not going to happen without it being halted. Overall, we're going to check out GameStop real quick. I think GameStop is looking the best based off of the chart aspect, based off of what we've been tracking. And again, I think GameStop and AMC are going to curl up for the rest of the week. Overall, guys, that is what I got for you for this video. Make sure to have post notifications on because I'm more than likely going to put out something else tonight, whether it's a short, whether it's a video, whether it's something else, because I can't not pay attention to this and not dig into this. But this is what I got for you for the update video. I appreciate everybody tuning in. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, get your 10 free stocks down below. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.